Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the cost of a bat is a 2-digit number. For example, XY dollar. Its selling prices has the same digit as a cost with the digits interchanged. Suppose it is YX dollar. If its profit margin is divided by 9, find the remainder of the division. We know that any 2-digit number can be written as (10x plus y). So, from given as cost price of a bat is 2-digit number, so 10x plus y, and we have given the selling price is same digit as a cost with the digits interchange, so it will be of the form 10y plus x. As we know that profit is given by selling price minus cost price. So it is 10y plus x minus 10x plus y. So 10y minus y means 9y minus this x minus 10x means 9x. So 9 into y minus x. As here we can see that profit is multiple of 9. So when it divided by 9 gives remainder 0. Hence, our remainder is 0. So our correct option is option D, which is 0.